In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in ChatGPT. First, you need to sign in to your ChatGPT account. This step is essential because it allows you to access all the features and settings associated with your profile. On the screen, you will see a login area where you can enter your email and password. Once you input your credentials and click the Sign In button, you will be redirected to your main dashboard. This action ensures that you can manage your account settings effectively and is the first step in making any changes. Next, tap on the Upgrade Plan option. This is a crucial step because upgrading your plan may prompt necessary updates related to your account, especially if you've moved to a different country. On the screen, you will see various plans available. By selecting Upgrade Plan, you will be taken to a new page that outlines the different subscription options. This page is important as it provides information about features that may vary based on your location. After tapping on Upgrade Plan, you might be prompted to update your billing address and payment method. This step is vital for ensuring that your account reflects your current location accurately. You will see a form where you can enter your new billing information. This includes your address, city, and postal code. Completing this step will help align your account with the features available in your new country. Plus, it keeps your financial information up to date, avoiding any service interruptions. Once you have updated your billing information, continue using ChatGPT from your new country if it is supported. At this point, you will be able to access the features and services tailored for your current location. If your new country is supported, you should see no disruptions in service. This is a reassuring step because it confirms that you can carry on with your work seamlessly. You will notice that the interface remains the same, but your experience may vary based on local regulations and offerings. Remember, ChatGPT does not have a specific setting to manually change your account country. Your access and features are automatically determined by your current location and billing details. This means that even though you cannot select a country manually, updating your billing information ensures that your account is functioning correctly in accordance with your new location. This understanding is important because it alleviates confusion when you notice changes in service or features based on where you are accessing ChatGPT. In summary, follow these steps carefully to ensure that your ChatGPT experience is uninterrupted and tailored to your current location. By signing in, upgrading your plan, updating your billing information, and confirming your continued access, you will be set up for success in your new country. Thank you for watching this instructional video. With these steps, you can easily transition your ChatGPT account to reflect any changes in your location. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for support. You are now ready to enjoy ChatGPT with ease, no matter where you are.